Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of the banana chip production process. In this detailed journey, we'll guide you through each intricate stage, from initial cultivation to final packaging, providing in-depth insights into this fascinating and complex industry. Our aim is to illuminate the entire process, showcasing the blend of traditional agricultural practices and cutting-edge food processing techniques that bring this popular snack to your table. Our journey begins in the lush, verdant fields where skilled farmers tend to banana trees with meticulous precision. These agricultural experts employ time-honored techniques alongside modern innovations to ensure optimal fruit development. One crucial step in cultivating high-quality bananas is the careful removal of dead flowers, a process that requires both expertise and patience. As you observe the fields, you'll notice distinctive blue bags protecting the developing fruit. These bags serve dual purposes. They significantly reduce the need for pesticides, promoting more environmentally friendly farming practices, while also creating a microclimate that regulates temperature and humidity conditions for each individual bunch, fostering ideal growing conditions. When the bananas reach their peak of maturity, the harvesting process commences. This is a delicate operation that demands both skill and care. Farmers, armed with razor-sharp knives, make precise cuts to carefully remove the fruit from the trees without causing any damage. The harvesting technique is crucial, as any bruising or mishandling at this stage could compromise the quality of the final product. Once harvested, an innovative wire system comes into play, efficiently transporting the bananas to the processing area. This state-of-the-art conveyor system is designed to ensure that the fruit remains unblemished during transit, preserving its quality for the subsequent stages of production. Before we delve deeper into the processing stages, it's worth noting a significant fact about global banana production. India stands at the forefront of this agricultural sector, leading worldwide banana production with an impressive yield of approximately 30 million tons annually. This staggering figure not only highlights the fruit's importance in the agricultural landscape but also underscores the massive scale of the banana industry and its potential impact on global food markets. Upon arrival at the factory, the bananas undergo a series of rigorous quality control measures. The first step in this process is a gentle yet thorough wash, designed to cleanse the fruit without causing any damage. This washing stage is followed by an intensive inspection process. Here, trained quality control experts meticulously examine each banana, ensuring that only the finest specimens, those meeting strict quality standards, proceed to the next stage of production. This careful selection process is crucial in maintaining the high quality of the final product. The selected bananas then move on to the next phase of preparation. They are skillfully hand-sliced by workers trained in precise cutting techniques. These slices are then immersed in specially designed cooling pools. This step is of paramount importance in the production process, serving two critical functions. Firstly, it helps maintain the firmness of the banana slices, preserving their texture for the chip-making process. Secondly, it plays a crucial role in slowing down the ripening process, ensuring that the bananas remain at the optimal stage for chip production. Following this cooling process, the banana slices undergo another sorting phase. Here, they are carefully categorized based on size and firmness, two factors that significantly impact the quality of the final chip product. Once sorted, the slices are collected into bins, ready for the next stages of processing. The subsequent phase in the production line involves a crucial step of labeling and a final application of disinfectant. This stage serves as a preparatory measure, readying the bananas for either distribution as fresh fruit or for further processing into chips. The labeling process ensures traceability and proper identification throughout the supply chain, while the disinfectant application adds an extra layer of food safety, ensuring that the product meets stringent hygiene standards. As we transition into the chip production phase, it's important to highlight the immense scale of these operations. These state-of-the-art facilities are designed to process millions of bananas efficiently. The production line bifurcates at this point, with a portion of the bananas designated for fresh distribution to markets, while others are channeled into the chip manufacturing process. This dual-purpose approach maximizes the utility of the harvested crop and caters to diverse market demands. In the specialized pulp-making area of the facility, ripe bananas undergo efficient processing. The resulting banana pulp, free from any artificial additives or preservatives, offers a pure and natural product. This versatile pulp finds its way into various applications in the food industry. It serves as an excellent base for smoothies, providing a creamy texture and natural sweetness. Additionally, its smooth consistency and nutritional profile make it an ideal ingredient for baby food products, offering a wholesome and easily digestible option for infants. The chip-making process itself begins with carefully selected green bananas. These are chosen specifically for their firmer texture, which is ideal for producing crispy chips. The bananas are fed into a high-precision slicer, a piece of equipment calibrated to cut the fruit into uniform 3 mm slices. This consistency in slice thickness is crucial for ensuring even cooking and a uniform texture in the final product. The precision of this slicing stage sets the foundation for the quality of the chips. Following the slicing process, the banana pieces embark on their transformative journey through an industrial-scale fryer. This sophisticated piece of equipment is designed to cook the slices to perfection, resulting in chips with a characteristic golden hue and a satisfyingly crisp texture. The frying process is carefully controlled to achieve the ideal balance between crunchiness and flavor retention. Once the frying is complete and the chips have reached their optimal texture, they move on to the flavoring station. Here, various seasonings and flavors are applied, catering to a wide range of taste preferences. This flavoring process is precise and automated, ensuring consistent taste across large batches of chips. While the delicious taste of banana chips is a key selling point, it's equally important to highlight their nutritional benefits. Banana chips are not just a tasty snack, they also offer several health advantages. They are naturally rich in potassium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining proper heart and muscle function. Additionally, these chips provide a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. They also contain significant amounts of vitamin B6, a nutrient important for brain development and function. This combination of taste and nutrition makes banana chips an appealing snack option for health-conscious consumers. The final stage in the production process involves packaging, a step that is just as crucial as the chip making itself. This phase utilizes advanced machinery designed for precision and efficiency. These high-tech packaging systems ensure that each bag is filled with the exact specified amount of chips, maintaining consistency across the entire product line. This precision not only ensures customer satisfaction but also helps in maintaining quality control and adherence to packaging regulations. The packaging process also involves sealing the bags in a way that preserves the freshness and crispness of the chips, extending their shelf life. This comprehensive overview illustrates the intricate journey of banana chips from farm to consumer. It showcases the remarkable blend of traditional agricultural practices, honed over generations, with cutting-edge food processing technologies. This harmonious integration of old and new demonstrates the industry's commitment to producing high-quality snacks while embracing innovation. From the careful nurturing of banana plants in the fields to the precise packaging of the final product, every step in this process is designed to ensure that consumers receive a delicious, nutritious, and consistently high-quality snack. The banana chip industry stands as a testament to how modern food processing can enhance and scale up traditional food products, meeting the demands of a global market while maintaining the essence of the original snack.